These engines really work on the edge of the laws of physics. The biggest challenge is hundreds and hundreds of sequential and parallel decisions that need to be taken on what we do with the components of the engine.
An Aero engine is made of about 18,000 parts. Then you multiply that by 400 engines a year. That's lots and lots of data for us to process.
And that's what we do every day. At SAESL, we take apart, fix and put back together again very large jet engines. The market was on a general growth trajectory and COVID then killed it completely. It came back a lot faster and a lot stronger than we expected, and the information that we were generating was growing exponentially. And if we operate with the same IT system that we've had for the last 20 years, it will just be chaos. We need to grow our overall capacity by about 40% over the next 5 years, and nothing uncovers problems like growth. So we needed to partner with someone who had genuine leading edge expertise, and that's why we wanted to partner with Kyndryl. We generate a lot of information as we take the engine apart and put it back together.
You've got different product types, how it's been functioning, where it's been traveling, temperature it's been running at, pictures, videos, PDF files. We're not short of data. In fact, it's growing at an exponential rate.
What Kyndryl provided then was real deep knowledge on what should and could be done on-prem and what were the cloud solutions, and help around how we identify and tag data.
In the past, everyone would have his own repository. So now we've classified and structured all our data in such a way that there is only one single source of truth.
The other thing that's come around from the data strategy is a step change in how we've delivered our cybersecurity. And that's very much a here and now benefit, that we see a much tighter control of our business and ecosystem.
We managed to do the implementation, the rollout, with zero hiccups, absolutely zero hiccups. It has given our customers the confidence that SAESL can continue to grow and at the same time deliver the best products.
One of the things I like doing at SAESL is when we host visits, and that sort of first shock and awe moment when they see these jet engines, which I think is still incredibly exciting. Things will change, technology will change, but what I am confident now on is that wherever those changes come, we'll be addressing them from a position of strength and resilience, and Kyndryl has provided that for us and with us in SAESL.